Welcome back. Stop deleting line breaks. Fastest way to paste PDF to the Word. How you can do that? Go to the PDF and copy the PDF paragraph and paste onto the Word and go to the home and click on this paragraph marks. And here you will see that every line has paragraph marks at the end of the line. So how you can replace it? For this you need to go to the replace here, and here you need to click on the special on the bottom, click on that and click on the paragraph marks, and here is the PP stand for paragraph marks, and replace with to the space and hit the space button and click replace all, and here click OK, close it, and here you can see that all the paragraphs and line breaks removed in just one click. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.